Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517, and in this video I will show you how to check the battery health of your laptop. To do that, open the Start menu and search for CMD application. Run it as administrator, click Yes, and in the following field input Powercfg / battery report. Copy and paste it on your PC in the CMD command field, then press enter to confirm. Now you will get this path where the battery life report is saved. Select this path like this and right click on it. Then you can close the CMD application, open the File Explorer or your web browser, open the path field and paste the path that you copied. Then press enter and you will get the battery report for your device. Now here you'll be able to see the usage stats, graphs and general information about your battery usage, but the only thing that actually matters to us now is the design capacity and the full charge capacity values. Now, as you can see, the design capacity for this laptop is 63 watts per hour, and the full charge capacity is basically the same as the design capacity, which means that full charge capacity of this device, which is the current capacity, is equal to the original capacity of the battery, which means that the life of the battery has not been affected at all by the time this device has been used. Now, if this value goes lower over time when your battery gets worn out, and if this value is low enough, let's say if it's 60% of this value, then your laptop's battery at this point should definitely be replaced with a new one. And basically, for now, since the original capacity and the current capacity are the same, this means that this battery is healthy and it works at its full capacity. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.